Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vicky Victoria, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button below so you get notified every time I post up a video, and that is every Tuesday. So today I'm going to show you guys different ways you can put on your palazzo pants or your wide-legged pants. There's so many different ways you can rock them, whether it's for work purposes, whether it's for casual purposes, whether you're going for a wedding, whether you're going for a brunch with your girls. These are some of the ways you can pull your wide-legged pants that will make you look so creative. And talk too much, let's just get straight into the video.
So the first step is to put on a black turtleneck. It's a curl, and you can put it on with different types of pants with different type of prints, like the way I've put it on with these blue print pants. It also looks nice with a different kind of pant like the one that I have on, and yeah, you can go wrong with that. You can also draw on a trench coat over the look, and this will give you simple and also such a classy look. Yeah, so you guys get yourself a black turtleneck top. Yep.
And the next step is putting on your palazzo jacket or your wide-legged pants with a leather jacket. You can have on the same pants that I had with the last look, and I've just thrown on a leather coat, a leather jacket, and these are looks. So the next hack is to actually, if you want to make your wide-legged pants give it an unofficial look, the next hack is you can put it with a chiffon top that is again a bit tight at the top that I have on. I kind of like it because it has pattern, and the palazzo is plain, so it's a nice official look. I would put this on a Monday just to brighten the mood, and it looks so official. What do you think? Do you like this look? Let me know down below. If you like it, also give it a big thumbs up if you love this look. It's very official. You can put it on if you work a work environment is not strict, that you don't have to put on suits. Then this is a look you can pull out really easy. We got some of these palazzo pants. I'm going to link a description. I'm going to put on the details on the description box below, so you get it, so you can get this. You can grab yourself a palazzo pant and pop out. That's a good look. I love it. What do you get? I love it. I really love it. And I think I'm going to put it on to work tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. When it comes to shoes, these are some of the shoes I need to show you that you need to have. You need to have milk. Then make sure you have a black palm. That also will give you a very good look. Then make sure you have strappy hooves. This will look good on palazzo wide-legged pants. Then again, a new shoe. You need all these type of shoes to make sure it looks cute. They will look really well. That's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative. If you like the video, let me know down below which one of the look that you like. As you can see, there's so many different ways you can execute your palazzo pants. There's so many, so you need to get yourself 2 or more palazzo pants, and you can rock them in different ways like the way I've shown you. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you like the video. Put comments down below. Let me know which one of the looks that you like the most and like the video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.